Understanding the true influence of social networks on leads and sales. Many marketers struggle to identify which source of traffic are most effective when it comes to converting web visitors. When conversion takes place over multiple visits rather than a single visit to a site, it's really important to understand complete customer journey and not use the standard last click win model of attribution. This is particularly the case in the area I worked in, business to business marketing, since buying cycles can be as long as 18 to 24 months and include multiple campaigns in between. The new multi-channel funnel report in Google Analytics is a step closer to providing marketers with much more detailed insight into the first and last interaction visitors have with your website before turning into lead. At the end of the post, I show an example of how they can be used to understand the contribution of social marketing. A few weeks back, I decided to use one of our client high volume traffic website to test the new assistant conversion and conversion path report in Google Analytics V5 for a 4-week period. Assisted conversion in Google Analytics identifies which source of traffic played a part in converting a visitor into lead. This is important report for identifying which source of traffic are helping in converting visitors and understanding if certain elements such as non-brand SEO is actually working for you. Here is what the assisted conversion path report looks like. Organic search was the most popular assistant in a conversion, much to the delight of my client, as they have already invested so much in SEO and increasing search engine visibility. Following organic search is direct visit. Again, it is expected as a brand is pretty well established within its sector. The real surprise was social network, which showed up fourth and played an assist in 23 conversion over a 4-week period ahead of paid advertising. This insight asks the question, should we allocate more resource to social? I was surprised to see that the RSS feed was so much high up, which demonstrated the importance in getting visitors to subscribe the website blog fed in order to increase loyalty and returning visitors to content in your website or blog. The higher this number, the more important the role of the channel. Okay, so now that we have identified that what the top assistant were, let's have a look at the top path which lead to a conversion on website. The above report shows that the 2 direct visits was the most popular path, leading to 32 conversion, which reinforced the importance in getting people to familiarize themselves with your website address and brand. It also shows that any brand awareness work which may have been carried out is also working and having an effective in getting people to return to your site via a direct visit. If direct visit is not top of the list for you, then maybe you should think about a brand awareness campaign. The second most popular conversion path is to visit from non-branded search term, which lead 22 conversion over period of 4 weeks. This shows how important it is to be optimizing your website for non-branded related search terms. The influence of social media sites on conversion. Social media sites such as Twitter or Facebook are great platforms for raising brand awareness and generating the first visit to your website. Once they have made that initial visit, you then want them to come back through the same channel or another, such as search engine or referencing website. The below part shows how inquiries were generated from social network and search engine. Who said social and search don't go hand in hand? Okay, it's only 2 inquiries, but what if I told you those 2 inquiries are potentially worth approximately 500,000 in total order value. The below conversion path is a key path for those who are using social networking site to increasing brand awareness. The first interaction was generated from the social side, and same for the second interaction. The third interaction came from a referring side, and then the final interaction which led to the inquiry was from branded search term. So over a period of 4 weeks, my client managed to bring somewhat to the site who had not heard of the company throughout the social site. The visitors then was referred back to the site via a link on another website, which may have been produced directory or a forum, and a final interaction was the googling the company's name and submitting an inquiry form, converting into leads. So the next time your boss says, well, social sites are having no impact on the inquiry generated from the website, just show them the above report. You may not see an actual deal done over the Twitter or Facebook, but social sites certainly do play a part in influencing buyers to work with you and your company by keeping the brand and your product at the front of their mind. It's important to be visible in as many relevant channels as possible. Business to business buying cycle are long, so increasing the amount of loyalty visitors is important. Well, let's have a look. As you have seen below, the site generated 451 conversion in 4 weeks, and majority of conversion occurs on the first visit, which is great as most will do anyway, but the next is 12 days and more after the first initial visit. This is why it is crucial to ensure that your website keep bringing people back to your site. Thanking you. For more info, log on to www.ideastack.com.